What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, I'm super excited for this one because we are going to be doing a bunch of home decor slash apartment focused things. For any of you guys who watch my apartment tour, you guys would know that I live in what they like to call a studio loft. It's just under 300 square feet, and with that being said, it is a very small space, and my girlfriend is actually about to move in here just for a little bit until this lease is up, and then of course the both of us were going to eventually move into a much bigger space than what we have right now. But of course, for the time being, you know, I have to kind of rearrange things to, you know, make her feel welcome, make the whole apartment still feel super aesthetic and to our taste, all the while making it just a little bit more functional for two people. As you guys saw, we went downstairs in my car to pick up this bookshelf that we bought from Target, and we bought a bunch of stuff to kind of like style it up. I'm going to build that and put it down here in the living room and just kind of rearrange some things. So I'll take you guys along that, and then for the days to come, I'm going to rearrange my whole closet, and then of course make some room for my girlfriend because she has to move her stuff in there as well. And then the last thing that I wanted to tackle is actually upstairs in the loft area. I want to do the same thing that I'm going to do in my closet and just make my clothing rack up there a little bit more spring summer focused. But yeah, like I said, I'm super excited for this vlog right here. Just a bunch of apartment home stuff, like everything a little bit more functional for two people in this very small space. This vlog right here is in partnership with the team over at Curology. I'll be talking about them a little bit more later on in the vlog. Like I said, for today, the big task is to tackle that bookcase, build it, style it up, and all that good stuff. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, this is currently what the living room situation looks like. As you can see, we got the TV up there, and then we have my TV unit right here. All of this is going to stay the same. The TV is going to be here, and then the TV unit is of course going to stay. So the part of the apartment that's actually changing is this guy right here. This area right here was just a space that I needed to fill up. It doesn't really serve a purpose. I honestly don't even use the chair that much. I want to just get rid of this and just make this area, which was originally just a bunch of dead space that I was trying to fill, I want to make this space right here a little bit more functional. So this is where this guy comes in. So as I mentioned, we just recently picked this up from Target. This is just the Room Essentials 5-shelf bookcase. It's in white, so it's gonna fit perfectly with the aesthetic of this apartment. So this is what we're gonna be building today, and this guy is gonna replace this chair and this plant, and then of course I'm gonna move my shoes. I'm just gonna put it back in the closet, but ideally this is gonna be here, and this is just gonna fill up all the space. And then like I said, we bought a bunch of things to dress it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just clear this area out right here. I'm gonna move the shelf, I'm gonna move the plant and the chair and my shoes and stuff, and I'm gonna get cracking on and building this guy right here. I hope it's easy because it's from Room Essentials and it's from Target, so I think it should be easy, but we'll see. Okay, either I'm bugging right now or this is looking a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. This thing pretty thick. Like, can y'all see that? It's a lot of instructions. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like right now after a lot of trial and error. My girlfriend knows. She's you guys hear her, she's laughing at me. I had to redo it like 4 times. But you know what? It's fine. It's looking good. We had to put some shelves there, or we had to put some stuff there so we can line up the shelves. But yeah, this is what it looks like. What was supposed to be only like 20-30 minutes took like a little over an hour, but it's fine. Put the shelves there, and then we got a couple more bits, and then I have some stuff here that I want to put here. So I'll set you guys on a time lapse, and then I'll show you guys after. So just kidding. The shelf is finally done, so I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So like I said, this is just the part 1 of this whole entire vlog. Throughout the week, I'm going to be filming and cleaning a bunch of other stuff in the apartment to get ready for her to move in. Yeah, without further ado, let's show you guys the new, what is this called? Like a bookcase? Bookshelf?
Bookshelf?
Yeah, bookshelf.
I can show you how to find the things, babe. Put your feelings to the side and swallow up all your pride. It's to find the things, babe. The way you feeling inside, it's nothing that you should hide. eyes, yeah, yeah. Automatic when you wanna grab it. Getting ecstatic, baby, it's a habit. Being frantic, lady, don't you panic. Take a load off, we be smoking the gas, yeah. Speeding through the city just to come and see you. Bet you know I like it when your panties see through. So shoddy, once you come right in, don't be going around telling your friends. I know she know to keep it on the D-Lo, D-Lo. Getting high like a C-No, C-No. Going crazy like I'm C-Lo, C-Lo. Yeah, yeah, little Miss Shawty coming into the party. Lips stained glass, you love it when you get naughty. Laying by the palm tree in your little Givenchy. Baby, just trust me, cause I can show you how to find the things, babe. But you finish.
Alright, what is up you guys? Good morning, welcome back to another day. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this vlog right here is in partnership and sponsored by the wonderful team over at Curology. If you guys who don't know what Curology is essentially a dermatology provided skincare slash almost like personalized formula and routine. This is what the Curology packaging looks like right here. Definitely up my alley. Super simple, minimal, and aesthetic. Curology is super easy to use and it's really easy to get started. All you guys have to do is hop on the Curology website and then take some photos of your skin before and then take an online quiz just kind of to see what your personal skin type is like and what you might be struggling with or what you might want to improve on. And then as I mentioned, a dermatology provider will go ahead and assign you a personalized formula for again your skincare needs and anything that you want to work on. Overall, I just really love kind of the whole setup of Curology. I love how personalized it feels to me, and I personally have been using Curology for around 3 months now. And before Curology, I just never found a skincare brand or a skincare routine that really stuck with me. It's kind of hard to, you know, go into the drugstore and just see a bunch of all these options, and it's very overwhelming. So for me, the reason why I like Curology is because again, it feels more personalized. It feels like I'm getting what I need for my personal skincare needs. And not to mention, I just think it's super important to, you know, take care of your skin. I definitely think it's one of those things that gets overlooked, especially from us dudes. But yeah, like I said, I can't recommend Curology enough. I just love, again, the whole aesthetic of the brand. It works, it feels great on the skin. In the first link down below, I'll have a link to a 1-month free trial, and all you guys have to do is just pay a small little fee of $4.95 shipping. Check them out and go show them some love. Like I said, skincare is definitely important. Yeah, I just can't recommend them enough. So check it out, show them some love. Alright you guys, so as you can see, let me turn it up real quick. As you guys can see, this closet is an absolute mess. I don't know what is going on. I feel like everything is, again, just super messy and it's just not functional right now. So I just want to maybe take out some shoes or like some shoe boxes and then maybe put them upstairs or something. And just overall, I just want to make this space right here more functional and just better for 2 potential people living here. This part is what we're going to be tackling today. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take out everything, pull them to the side, and then just reassess how much space I have, because I don't know, it's just looking really rough right now. So let's go ahead and take everything out and then we'll go from there and we'll see. This whole box just attacked me right now. Wow. Alright you guys, so this is the current state right now. As you guys saw, that freaking box fell on me. But anyways, I basically took everything out. The top shelf is fine, I'm not gonna do anything. This shelf could definitely be used. Can you focus please? Thank you. This shelf can definitely be used and utilized better. I'm gonna keep this shelf fairly the same. This one I'm gonna fix, and then as for the bottom one, turn it up a little bit so you guys can see. These are all of my Balenciaga shoe boxes and my more expensive shoes. So I'm gonna reserve this section and this shelf for just my more expensive shoes. So I'm gonna leave that like that. But these 3 right here, these main ones, are definitely gonna get some work. Basically took everything out, and then I'm just going to kind of file them back in and just see what I can do. But first, I'm gonna get a sip of this coffee and I'm low-key stressing out. Alright guys, so update on this closet thing. So the thing that I'm trying to do the most is I'm just trying to give my girlfriend the most space as possible. So I literally took out a lot of things. So this is going to be hers, this is already hers, and then I think what I'm going to do is to even create more space. As you guys can see, this top shelf right here is not really being used. It's just a bunch of BS up there. So what I think is, and mind you, my girlfriend's small. She's like less than 5 feet. So the less reaching she has to do, the better. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take all my boxes up down here. And I'm just going to put them up there because I don't access these as much. But I don't want to get rid of these boxes. Put all my boxes up there. So she can now have 1, 2, like this mini one right here. So I'm going to do that right now. So let's see how it goes. Oh shit, there is stuff up here.
Nice.
Crap.
What's up? What the hell?
What the heck? It's a bunch of random stuff. Let's put that away.
Here.
Oh, this is where my
Oh, your camera's about to die, by the way.
It's okay. You guys, I've been looking for these Swiffer pads for the longest time. I have a Swiffer underneath my couch, and I thought I lost them. It's right here. That's good to know.
Too high.
There you go. Alright you guys, so the closet is now done. It's kind of nice to just like, you know, clean everything out, but there's a ton of empty space for the girlfriend to move in all her stuff in, and we created a bunch of many other opportunities for space throughout the whole apartment as well. But as for the closet, it's super clean and I'm super excited to share with you guys. So let's get into the closet reveal. I don't know what's going on. 3, 2, 1.
When can we meet? Cause baby, I've been trying to. You on the move, let's move to find some time to. You know I love the view from right behind you, but I can't.
Is 1, 2, because that's already her stuff, and then 3. These 3 shelves will be there for Kia, and then I moved up all my stuff because, as I mentioned, she's small, so she needs to be able to access all of her stuff really quickly. Cologne bits, I got my buzzer for my hair because we've just been, you know, self-isolating and stuff, and then I have all my bags in here and just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff in here, and then I moved all of my designer shoe boxes up here. Alright you guys, so I'm currently standing on the like ladder thing in the studio. So this is what the current situation upstairs is. As you guys can see, there's my rack, and then I have a couple of things that I wanted to incorporate up here from downstairs, and I just want to switch out and get rid of a ton of heavier stuff on this rack. So let's go upstairs and show you guys. So this is the current state. As you can see, I'm thinking with these boxes, right, I actually was going to take out my shoes, and then I was just going to kind of put them down there and have them almost like stand up on the rack. But what I'm thinking is, courtesy of the homie Daniel Simmons, I think I'm just gonna put my boxes underneath my plant over there. I don't know about you guys, but I personally don't like getting rid of my shoe boxes. I think it just maintains the resale value, and it just overall looks better than just having a bunch of shoes all over the place. So I think I'm gonna put these 3 boxes underneath that plant, and then I'm gonna hang up these new in bits on this rack, and then I'm gonna reassess this rack and just pull a bunch of things out. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I don't know, is it just me, or I don't know, I'm not really feeling it. Are you guys feeling it? What do you think? I don't know, I kind of don't like it. Should I just like put it there? I don't know, let's see what it looks like just in the boxes, right? But underneath the rack instead of it being propped up on the plant, because I don't know, I'm just not really feeling it. So let's see that instead. I think I like it this way better. You know what it is? I think it's because my studio loft, even though yeah, it is a studio loft. Yo, you know what it is? I think it's because the studio loft, or the loft portion of the studio loft in this upstairs portion, I think the reason why I didn't like the boxes underneath the plant is because it made my plant look super tall, which in return made the upstairs feel smaller because the ceiling is already short enough. The plant is going like this, right? So you want your eye to be going like this. You don't want it to be just going up and then, oh, it's like short ceiling, you know? So I'm just gonna keep it there. I really like how it looks like. Alright you guys, and then as for the shelf up here, now looking at it, it's okay. I definitely can get rid of some things, but Like, I honestly don't know why I have. I kind of want to keep that. Yo, it's so hard to like get rid of clothes and let go of them. Like, okay, well, let me just go ahead and hang what I know I want to hang. So I just got this new in-suit from ASOS, so I want to go ahead and hang this guy. Alright, you guys, the upstairs is definitely looking nice and tidy. As for the rack, I just got rid of a couple things, but I definitely think it made a big difference. And then with the shoes, even though it was just like some boxes added to the rack underneath, I don't know, there's something about it. I think it looks really nice, and I think it definitely carries the vibe and the flow from downstairs to upstairs. So I'm super excited to share with you guys the rack. So enough rambling, let's show you guys the reveal of the brand new rack styling. 3, 2, 1.
you feeling inside, it's nothing that you should show you how to find the things, babe. Put your feelings to the side and swallow up all your pride. It's to find the things, babe. The way you feeling inside, it's nothing that you should hide. On my mind all the time. Shawty looking fine, she a dime. Put your feelings to the side. I won't mind. Just let me know if you were down to ride. You know that I want you by my side.
And real quick before we check out of this vlog, I wanted to show you guys and give you a little update on shelving unit right here. We went ahead and we built this guy and we styled it and stuff, and as you saw yesterday, there wasn't anything on the top. In that clip and in that styling way of how we did it, I don't know, it was just bothering me, so we decided to add this droopy plant. If you guys watched the apartment tour, you would know this is actually from the bathroom. And then we just went ahead and put a Nike box just to fill up the space. The shoes obviously won't stay there forever. The shoes are gonna actually go in the box, but nonetheless, I think having something on the top of this shelf just made it a little bit more homey and just made it a little bit more, it just brought it all together. I feel like when there wasn't anything on the top, it was just looking very straight edge and very modular. So I really like the addition of the droopy plant. Again, it adds this nice kind of like soft vibe. And then another project that we're gonna do at a later date is, as you guys can see, the inspo board on the top flipped horizontally, because we're actually going to change all of those photos and we're going to kind of make it a more of a collaborative effort, because of course my girlfriend is moving in here, so it's not just my apartment anymore. Gathered a bunch of new inspo photos, so we're going to replace that when the photo center is like open and stuff to do that. Alright, you guys, and that is it for the apartment update / spring cleaning. Drop me some love in the comments down below. Let me know like what you guys think of the new shelf, and let me know if there's, I don't know, let me know and put me on to any organization tricks or hacks or items that you guys use to create more space in a smaller like apartment and stuff, because I'd love to know. Once again, a big shout out to the team over at Curology for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. I'm telling you guys, I can't recommend Curology enough. I feel like even though I've been only using it for a little over 3 months, I can definitely see small but subtle changes to my skin with the overall texture, and it just personally worked for me. So I'm super excited to again keep using it and hopefully see even more changes in my skin and stuff. Super easy to use, it's nice and personalized to me as well as potentially you as well. It feels good on the skin, it works, and overall just looks. If you guys are interested, there will be a link to a 1-month free trial plus a free moisturizer and cleanser with the small fee of a $4.95 shipping. It'll be the first link in my description box down below. Check them out and go show them some love. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlogs. So we're just all quarantined at home. There's not really much to do, and I don't know, I don't really care to bring you guys fashion videos at this point. I mean, I do, of course, I'm always gonna do it, but I don't know, I just personally enjoy the vlogs more. So hopefully you guys are enjoying them too. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.